Hey guys, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make hummus crackers just like 50-50 Muska Cheska biscuits. These are very easy crackers with hummus and oat flour, and I have added Indian flavor of Muska Cheska to it. I have prepared two varieties of these biscuits, one normal and another with beetroot powder. Let's jump into the making. First, let's grind the oats in the blender. It is easy to prepare oats flour at home just with the blender we have. Prepare the ingredients the previous day for easier process. I have already uploaded a hummus recipe. Check the link of it in the description. Add 1 cup rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of mint leaves and curry leaves. Just chop it finely. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, half teaspoon of salt. Adjust according to your taste. Next I am going to add half a teaspoon of chili powder or chili flakes or 2 chopped green chilies. Let's add hummus now. The recipe is given in the description box. It is easily prepared with blender. At first, the dough will be sticky. We want the dough non-sticky, just like our chapati dough. So add 1 tablespoon of oat flour at a time and mix well until it turns non-sticky. If your dough is still dry, then you can add 1 tablespoon of water at a time and make the desired consistency. It depends upon your hummus. If it is too liquidy, you need to add more oats. Otherwise, you need to add water. The greens releases water when combined with salt. So let it sit for 5 minutes and then make this process. This is the right consistency. You can see the dough is just like our chapati dough. I used nearly 1/4 cup of oat flour. My hummus was on the softer side, so I need to add oat flour. Keep a check on the consistency. Next, I am going to add 1 tablespoon raw powdered sugar. This step is optional, but if you need the taste of 50-50 biscuits, you need to add at least 1 tablespoon of sugar. Roll out the dough in between parchment paper. Roll it as thin as possible for crispier biscuits and also for shorter baking time. Now I have rolled it into approximate square shape. Cut out the uneven parts. You can also use a cookie cutter. I am sprinkling some flax seeds over it. I have used only half of the batter we have prepared. Press it again to set. Make desired shapes. I used pizza cutter to make square shapes. Prick holes with a fork to remove air bubbles. Place it over a lined baking sheet. Next, we are going to prepare the beetroot version. I am adding 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder to the dough. Mix well until it is blended. This is the bright color we got from the beetroot powder, perfectly blended. Roll it out in between parchment paper and cut it into desired shapes as we prepared earlier. I am using sesame seeds here for the attractive color. You can customize these crackers as needed. Now I have placed all the crackers on the baking sheet. Preheat the oven at 350 and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Thinner crackers bakes in just 20 minutes. Check for doneness after 20 minutes and increase the bake time as needed. Once baked, let it cool down until it reaches room temperature. Super crunchy crackers without baking soda, baking powder, or butter. It tastes so delicious. I'm sure you are going to love this. It was just like 50-50 biscuits. Try this recipe and comment your feedback. The ingredients, notes, and playlists are given in the description. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes. Thank you.